Hey there, future engineers. Welcome to the exciting world of civil engineering, where your dreams of building the future can become a reality. I'm Adam Savage, and I'm stoked you're interested in the world of civil engineering. This field is not just a career, it's a passion, a calling to create and innovate. It's a field where you get to build the future, literally. Imagine being part of the team that designs and constructs the infrastructure that supports our daily lives. From bridges to buildings, you'll be shaping the world around us. Every structure you see, every road you travel, has a story behind it, and you could be the author of those stories. This isn't just about concrete and steel. It's about problem solving and innovation. You'll be faced with challenges that require creative solutions, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about taking an idea from a sketch on a napkin to a tangible reality. The process of turning a simple drawing into a towering skyscraper or a sprawling bridge is nothing short of magical. And trust me, the journey is as exciting as the destination. The sense of accomplishment you feel when a project is completed is unparalleled. This guide is your roadmap to navigating the world of civil engineering, from newbie to seasoned pro. We'll delve into the essential knowledge and skills you need to succeed. We'll cover everything from education to real-world experience, networking, and setting goals. Your education is the foundation, but real-world experience is where you'll truly learn and grow. So buckle up, grab your hard hat, and let's build something amazing together. The journey ahead is filled with opportunities to learn, innovate, and make a lasting impact. This is going to be an incredible ride. The camaraderie and teamwork you'll experience in this field are second to none. Are you ready? Let's get started. Together, we'll explore the many facets of civil engineering, from the technical aspects to the human elements that make this field so rewarding. In today's digital age, technology plays a crucial role in civil engineering. You'll learn how to use advanced software to design and simulate structures before they are built. Modern tools like drones and 3D scanners have revolutionized the way we conduct site surveys and gather data. These technologies help us create more accurate and efficient designs. Sustainability is another key aspect of modern civil engineering. You'll explore how to design and build structures that are not only functional but also environmentally friendly. From renewable energy projects to green buildings, civil engineers are at the forefront of creating a sustainable future. Your work can help reduce our carbon footprint and promote a healthier planet. Collaboration is essential in this field. You'll work closely with architects, urban planners, and other professionals to bring complex projects to life. Effective communication and teamwork are key to success. Continuing education is vital in civil engineering. The field is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies is crucial. Attend conferences, workshops, and courses to keep your skills sharp. Mentorship is another important aspect of your journey. Experienced engineers can provide valuable guidance and support, helping you navigate the challenges and opportunities in your career. Civil engineering is not just about large-scale projects. It's also about making a difference in your community. You'll have the opportunity to work on projects that improve local infrastructure and enhance the quality of life for residents. Celebrating milestones is an important part of the journey. Whether it's completing a challenging project or receiving an award, these moments of recognition are a testament to your hard work and dedication. As you progress in your career, take time to reflect on your journey. Look back at the projects you've completed and the challenges you've overcome. Each experience contributes to your growth as a professional. Setting new goals is essential for continuous growth. Plan for future projects and career advancements, and always strive to push the boundaries of what's possible in civil engineering. Remember, work-life balance is important. While your career is a significant part of your life, make sure to spend time with family and friends and pursue hobbies and interests outside of work. Giving back to the community is a rewarding aspect of being a civil engineer. Volunteer your time and skills to help those in need and contribute to the betterment of society. Envisioning the future is an exciting part of civil engineering. Imagine the possibilities and think about how you can contribute to creating a better, more sustainable world. Finally, inspire the next generation of civil engineers. Share your knowledge and passion with young aspiring engineers and encourage them to pursue their dreams of building the future. As you stand proudly in front of your completed projects, remember that you are part of a legacy of builders and innovators. The horizon is full of opportunities and your journey is just beginning. So are you ready to embark on this incredible journey? Let's get started and build something amazing together. The world of civil engineering awaits you, and the possibilities are endless. First things first, you need a solid foundation. That means getting a good education. Aim for a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from an accredited program. Don't stop there. The learning never stops in this field. New technologies and techniques are always emerging. Take courses, attend workshops, and get certified in specialized areas. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Remember, knowledge is power and opportunity. Listen up, because this is crucial. Internships are not optional. They are a vital part of your education and career development. They are your chance to put those classroom theories into practice. Imagine all those hours spent in lectures and labs finally coming to life. Think of internships as test drives for your career. Just like you wouldn't buy a car without taking it for a spin, you shouldn't commit to a career path without experiencing it firsthand. You'll experience the day-to-day life of a civil engineer, work on real projects, and make invaluable connections. These connections can open doors to future job opportunities and provide you with mentors who can guide you throughout your career. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Internships are about learning through doing, and sometimes that means rolling up your sleeves and diving into the work. Ask tons of questions. The more you ask, the more you learn. Your mentors and colleagues are there to help you, so take advantage of their knowledge and experience. The more you learn during internships, the better prepared you'll be for your first job. You'll have a clearer understanding of what to expect and what will be expected of you. Internships also teach you about the realities of the workplace. You'll learn about deadlines, teamwork, and the importance of communication. These are skills that are crucial in any job, not just engineering. Networking is another significant benefit of internships. The people you meet during your internship can become valuable contacts in your professional network. They can offer advice, provide references, and even help you find job opportunities. Internships also give you a chance to develop your professional skills. You'll learn how to conduct yourself in a professional setting, how to manage your time effectively, and how to handle the responsibilities that come with a job. Completing an internship is an achievement in itself. It shows potential employers that you have practical experience and that you're serious about your career. It can set you apart from other candidates when you're applying for jobs. So take your internships seriously. They are more than just a requirement. They are an opportunity to grow, learn, and prepare for your future. Embrace every moment and make the most of it. Remember, the power of internships lies in the experiences you gain and the lessons you learn. They are the stepping stones to a successful and fulfilling career. Okay, you've got your degree. After years of hard work, late-night study sessions, and countless exams, you've finally achieved what you set out to do. Holding that degree in your hand is a moment of pride and accomplishment. But remember, this is just the beginning of your journey, and some internship experience under your belt. Those internships were crucial. They gave you a taste of the real world, a glimpse into the daily life of a civil engineer. You learned how to apply theoretical knowledge to practical problems, and you got a feel for the dynamics of a construction site. Now, it's time to dive headfirst into the real world. This is where the real learning begins. The classroom and internships were just the warm-up. The real test is out here, on the construction sites, in the offices, and in the field. It's time to put on your hard hat and step into the world of civil engineering with determination and confidence. Look for entry-level positions that offer hands-on experience. These positions are invaluable. They might not be glamorous, and they might not pay as much as you'd like, but they are the stepping stones to your future. They will provide you with the practical experience that is essential for your growth as an engineer. This is where you'll truly hone your skills. You'll learn how to use the tools of the trade, from surveying equipment to heavy machinery. You'll understand the importance of precision and accuracy in every task you undertake. Each day will bring new challenges and opportunities to learn. And learn the ropes from seasoned professionals. Embrace every challenge, ask questions, and never stop learning. The senior engineers you work with have years of experience and a wealth of knowledge. They can teach you things that you won't find in textbooks. Be curious, be eager to learn, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. The knowledge and experience you gain in these early years will be the foundation for your future success. Take notes, observe, and absorb as much as you can. These early experiences will shape you into a competent and confident engineer. They will prepare you for the challenges and responsibilities that lie ahead. Will be the foundation for your future success. As you progress in your career, you'll look back on these early years with gratitude. The lessons you learn now will stay with you throughout your career. They will guide you, inspire you, and help you become the best engineer you can be. So, embrace this journey with enthusiasm and dedication. Your future in civil engineering is bright and full of possibilities.